Hello everyone, I am Anamika, your bio teacher, and today I am here with the same chapter, that is cell structure and function. In the previous video, students, we have read about the lysosomes. That means what is lysosome, what is their structure, function, and why it is called suicidal bag of the cell, and how they are helpful also. That means in cleaning the cell, that means of the burnout cell organelles. In this video, we will read about the centriole. Centriole that is mainly present in animal cells. So that means everything about the centriole, their structure, function, how it is important. So let's start. Centriole is a small hollow cylindrical structure and it is made up of microtubules. And what is centrosomes? Actually, what happens sometimes it may be confusion between the two words centriole and centrosome. So centrosome, that is a region in the cell in which two centrioles are present. Now I am discussing about the diagram. Let's see. So this is the two centriole. Okay, and these two centrioles that is present in a region, and that region that is called centrosomes. That means both are right angle to each other. This one, that means they are forming the 90. Now here I have drawn the diagram of the centriole. Actually in short form we draw the diagram like this, but actually this is the front view only. So that means mainly it is made up of microtubules, and that is 9 clusters. 9 clusters of microtubules are present, and in each cluster, that means 3 microtubules are here. So you can count the number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 clusters are here, and in each cluster 3 microtubules. So microtubules are structured like this. And these microtubules, which is mainly made up of tubulin protein. So it is made up of tubulin protein. And here the central part, this is a hollow space, and this hollow space that is called central hub. And each microtubule that is attached to this central hub by this radial spokes. So this structure, this is called radial spokes. And radial spokes, they are arranged like this. Okay, so this one in this way, that means they form cartwheel-like structure. So this is the diagram of the centriole, in which how the microtubules that are arranged. And this is the centrosomes, boys. Okay, so centrosomes, that is mainly a region inside a cell in which two centriole that is present, which are right angle to each other. So now let's see some more about the centriole. What is their function? That means how they helps in the cell division. Centrioles are found in mostly eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, that means in which nucleus is well developed, and it is actually located in the cytoplasm of the animal cells near the nuclear envelope. So it should be clear from that means this diagram. So that means if this is a eukaryotic cell, so the centriole that is mainly present near the nuclear envelope, which is also called nuclear membrane. Now let's see the some function of the centriole. During the cell division, they move to opposite poles and form spindle fibers, which helps in the separation of the chromosomes. It also forms the basal body of the cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella both are the locomotory organs. So it forms the basal body from which they originate. Now you can see this is the diagram of the cell division, in which that means both centrioles, they move to the opposite folds and form spindle fiber, and that means it helps in the separation of the chromosomes. So we can say that means centriole, that is a very important cell organelles, and without centriole, cell would not be a functional cell, because it helps in the cell division. It also helps in the formation of the cilia and flagella. Whatever the topic that is discussed about the centriole, that should be clear to you. If you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask Okay, thank you students. Go through the video and please like and subscribe also.